Just wait. Yesterday we started with different kind of matrices like nilpotent and all that. So I'll just give you the definition of those matrices once again. Okay. So just wait. Hmm. Yes. So we started with we did these kind of matrices. So I'll give you a definition. Okay. So first was orthogonal matrix. Okay. Second was so orthogonal matrix was, I'll give you the definition also. So A transpose into A is equals to A into A is equals to A into A transpose is equals to identity matrix. Okay. Second is idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. Okay. This matrix was A square is equals to A. Okay. Idempotent matrix was when A square will be equal to A. And in this we have seen that in just not A square, any power of A will give you A only. Okay. Third was involutory matrix. Okay. Involutory matrix, where involutory matrix was A square is equals to I. Okay. Fourth was nilpotent matrix. Okay. In nilpotent matrix, A to the power k is equals to 0. Okay. And in the last matrix, last kind of matrix was periodic matrix. Periodic matrix. Okay. Where A to the power P plus 1 was equals to A, where the periodicity was equals to P, where this was equals to the periodicity. Okay. So this was some different kind of matrices, the definition of different kind of matrices which we have seen to yesterday. Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll start solving some question based on these definition. Okay. We'll start solving questions based on the definition of on the definition that different of different kind of matrices. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So the first question is, question 1, define A is equals to 0 1 3 0. Okay. Find the vertical matrix. Find vertical matrix V such that, find the vertical matrix V such that A to the power 8 plus A to the power 6 plus A to the power 4 plus A square plus I into V should be equals to 0 11. Okay. The matrix is defined as following, that A is equals to 0 1 3 0, and you have to find the vertical matrix V which when so this is uh, V, yeah, this is V which when multiplied with this A to the power 8 plus A to the power 6 plus A to the power 4 plus A square plus I, है ना, this should give you equals to 0 by this should give you this matrix 0 11. Okay. Solve it. Anyone? See, the hint for this question is, that they have asked you to find a to the power 8 also. They have asked you to find a to the power 6, a to the power 4. Suppose if they had only asked you to find a square plus I, a square plus I means identity mat, a square plus I, then we could have simply multiplied and we could have simply find the answer without thinking about 864, right? But because they are asking you to find a to the power 8, now you cannot multiply matrix 8 times in an exam. You cannot multiply matrix 8 times in an exam. That means there has to be some pattern. If you have got matrix which have a power of 8, 9, 10, or more than 2 or more than 3, right? Then there has to be some pattern, there has to be some simplified way of solving it. Okay, so first try to find out what you will get when you will square the matrix. What will we get when we will square the matrix? Let's see. So suppose you have been given, so you have been given, so you have been given a is equals to 0 1 and 3 0, right? Yes, and you will get diagonal matrix. So suppose this is a, so a square means a into a square means a into a square is a into a means you will multiply this thing, so this will become 0 1 3 0, and here you will get 0 1 3 0, right? If this is multiplied, then after multiplying, so 0 into 1, 3 into 3, so this is 0 into 1, 1 into 3, so this is 3. 0 into 1, 1 into 0, this is 0. 0 into 3, 0 into 3, so this is 0. 3 into 1, 0 into 0, so this is 3, right? So this is 3 is common, so I can take common 3 out, so this is 3 common. So this will become 1 0 0 1, right? So what is the value of a square we are getting from here? What is the value of a square we are getting from here? So a square is equals to 3 into 1 0 0 1, right? And what is this? 3 into I, right? So what is the value of a square? So here we are getting a square is equals to 3i. But this is okay. Till here everything is okay. Now see what will be a to the power of, now what will be a to the power 4? What will we get a to the power 4? a to the power 4, a to the power 4 is equals to a square into a square, a square into a square, right? So a square into a square is what? A square is 3 into iota, oh sorry, 3 into I. So a square is 3 into I into 3 into I, right? This is a scalar value, this will come outside. So this is 9 into I into I. I into I, identity matrix square is nothing but 9 into I. Okay. Similarly, what we can write as a to the power 6, a to the power 6 I can write as a square into a square into a square, right? Again, this we can write as 3i into 3i into 3i, right? So again, this will become 3 cube into I cube. I square or I cube is simply I, so this will be 27i, right? Now next is a to the power 8. A to the power 8 is equals to, we can write a square into a square into a square into a square, right? 1 4 6 8. So this is nothing but 3 to the power 4 into I to the power 4. So this will give you everybody understood? Now try to solve it. Now try to solve it. Now it is very simple. Everybody must have got the answer. Just check what we are getting. Oh, sorry. Yes. So, uh, yeah, Shiniti, that is correct. 1 by 11. Yeah. Okay. So now they have given that this whole sum into some vertical matrix. Vertical matrix we should be a vertical matrix such that you are getting this. है ना? Now let's look at the question once again. So they have given that a to the power 6. Now see, all these matrix are square matrix of 2 cross 2. All these matrix are square matrix of 2 cross 2, right? So let's see, this is so a to the power 8 plus a to the power 6 plus a4 plus a square plus I, right? All these matrix, even when we add up these matrix, suppose if I'll write as suppose matrix X, this matrix will be of the order of 2 cross 2, right? Now this is multiplied with V. This is multiplied with V. Now that means X 2 cross 2 matrix is multiplied with V. Now V is a vertical matrix. V is a vertical matrix. V is a vertical matrix, right? Now vertical matrix means that this matrix should be somewhat, this matrix should be of this kind where number of rows should be greater than number of columns, right? Now this matrix, how many rows are compulsory for this matrix to have? How many number of rows are compulsory for this matrix to have to be multiplied? Why 2 rows should be compulsory, right? Now number of columns should be less than 2. So possible number of columns less than 2 are only 1. So that means this matrix is of the form of 2 cross 1. This matrix is of the order of 2 cross 1. So that means this matrix is multiplied by some matrix of this form, A and B, right? A and B. And this should give you matrix 0 comma 0 and 11. This should give you matrix 0 11. Okay, now just try to find out what is on the left side. Left side we already have found everything in terms of identity matrix. Left side we have found everything in terms of identity matrix. So let's see, now let's try to calculate what is on the left side. So this is a square plus a4 plus a6 plus a8. So a square plus a4 plus a6 plus a8. If I'll add, so this is 80 plus 81 plus 9, 90 plus 30, 120 and I 120 and I will be 121, sorry, it will be 121I into a matrix V. This should be giving you 0 and 11. This should give you 0 and 11. Okay, this should give you 0 comma 11, matrix 0 11. Okay, vertical matrix 0, this thing. Okay, so now see again what I will do. This is I identity matrix into V. This is identity matrix into V. So this will simply transform into 121 into V. This will simply transform into 121 into V, because I, or even if I'll write this is I into V. So this is simply give you V, because identity matrix into anything will give you V. So 121 into V is equals to 0 11, right? Now that means this matrix or this V, this scalar value, this value I can cross multiply. So that means V is equals to 1 by 121 0 11, right? So this will be V is equals to 0 11 by 121. So V will be nothing but 0 and 1 by 11. Understood everyone? Fine, just copy this. See here, this is what I'm adding here. 3 iota, oh sorry, 3i, 9i, 27i, 8i. So these all are these values: a to the power 6, a to the power 8, a to the power 4, and a to the power a square, right? But here I is also there. So that is why this whole thing is 20. This whole thing is 120 plus I. So this is 121i. है ना. Left side is this part is 121i. Okay, Pradyuman, understood? है ना. Okay, fine. Just copy this, check this, then we'll solve next question. Why everybody understood or should I explain once again? Nilaraj, should I explain it once again? Okay, see. है ना. Okay, fine. Okay, I will explain. So very quickly I will explain. So what is happening? They are asking to a to the power 8. Now see, they have asked for a to the power 8. है ना. They have asked for a to the power 8. Now if they are asking for something like a to the power 8, that means there has to be some pattern. There has to be some pattern. है ना. Now see, if there is some pattern, then we'll try to find out. So to find the pattern, what we can do, we can first find a square. We can first find a square. To find the pattern, we have to first find a square, because pattern will start from a square, because if you can see in the question, they have only asked for even powers. They have only asked for even powers, a square, a4, a6, a8 plus identity matrix, है ना. Now see, if I'll find a square, after finding a square, in the first step only, by will you start finding from a to the power 8 or a to the power a square, right? First thing is a square you will find. The first basic thing is you will find a square. As soon as you get a square, you will see that a square is nothing but 3 into identity matrix. This is nothing but 3 into identity matrix. As we have got a square, now I can write a to the power 4 as a square into a square, 3 into identity into 3 into identity. So this will become 9 into identity square. Identity square is 9. Identity square is I only. है ना? So this will become 9 into identity, right? A to the power 6 is nothing but a square into a square into a square 3 times. So this will become 3 into 3 into 3 identity cube. Identity matrix cube is also identity. है ना? Next is a to the power 8. Same thing. Understood? So now they have asked you to add all of them. So this is on adding. So adding we are having. So A8, this is 81i plus 27i plus you have 9i plus you have 3i plus I, right? So this is 81 plus 9, 81 plus 9, 90, 90 plus 30, 120 plus 1. So this is 121i, right? On the right side, they have given V is equals to 0, 11, this matrix, right? Now if I'll multiply this, so this will be 121 into I into V. So this will give you V only, right? So this is 0, 11. Now you can just cross multiply this here. So this is V is equals to 1 by 121 and simply after solving. Understood? Fine. Very good. Okay. Okay. Fine. Next question. Okay. So the next question is, this is a very simple question. Let A be the set of, let A be the set of all 3 cross 3 skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Sorry, skew symmetric matrices. Whose entries are either whose entries are either -1, 0 or 1, whose entries are either -1, 0 or 1. If there are exactly 3 zeros in the matrix, 3 ones and 3 minus ones. Okay, so there are 3 zeros, 3 ones and 3 minus 1 in the matrix. Then the number of such matrix are, then the number of matrices are. बच्चे अच्छे से कैलकुलेट करो, don't be in any hurry, just try to solve. नहीं बच्चा, 2 is not the answer, but try to solve, see, try to solve. Yes, Kishore, yes, 8 is correct. Try to think about it, this is not a matrix question, this is actually permutation combination question, है ना? This is a permutation combination question given in a form of a matrix, है ना? Yes, 2 to the power 3, very good. Yes. Okay, let's see. So they have given A is a set of 3 cross 3. A is a set of, yeah, A is a set of 3 cross 3, right? So this is so I'm just placing spaces, right? Now they have given, now because it's a skew symmetric matrix, now if it is a skew symmetric matrix, so these three zeros will be filled first, है ना? और ये zeros का काम, this the work of these zeros is done. Now what we have left with, +1 and -1. How many +1? We have got 3 +1s, and how many -1? We have got 3 -1. Okay, we have got 3 +1 and we have got 3 -1, right? Now see, if I'll fill +1 here, so I have to fill -1 here. Okay, if I'll fill -1 here, I have to fill +1 here, right? Same with this place, and all the other places, right? So that means plus and -1 will come in pair. That means plus and -1 will be used in pair, है ना? Here plus and -1 will be used as one pair. Here plus and -1 will be used as another pair, and the last pair will be here. Here plus and -1 will be used as the last pair, right? So plus and -1 will be always be used in pair. So we have an option either to put +1 or -1 here. How many options? 2. We have an option here, +1 or -1, again 2 option. How many options here? +1 and -1, 2 options. So 2 into 2 into 2. So total how many options do we have? 8. Understood? So if we keep +1 here, we have to keep -1 here. Okay, if we keep +1 here, we have to keep -1 here. If we keep opposite -1 here, we have to keep +1 here. Understood? So total number of possible matrices, such possible matrices, 8. Okay, check this one. बच्चे 2 + 2 + 2, I have 2 + 2 + 2, right? These are total number of cases. These are total number of cases, है ना? What is happening? 2 + 2 + 2. 2 + 2 means this is happening, and or this is happening, or this is happening. But these all cases, 2 into 2 into 2 means this is happening at the same time. 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 Okay, I will explain once again. See, total number of spaces are 9 spaces. Total number of spaces are 9. Okay, Total number of spaces are 9. First is 0, 0, 0 are already filled because it is a skew symmetric matrix. है ना? Leftover values are plus 1 and minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1, 3, 3 each. है ना? Plus 1, 3 each and minus 1, 3 each. Okay. Now see, if I'll put plus 1 here, I have to put minus 1 here. There is no other option. If I'll put plus 1 here, I have to put minus 1 here. There is no other option. है ना? If I will put minus 1 here, so I have to put plus 1 here. There is no other option. I cannot put minus and minus or plus and plus at the same time because it's a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So that means 1 and minus, same thing will happen with this place. Same thing will happen with this place. Okay. So that means minus 1 and plus 1 will always occur in a pair. That means one pair I can form for this one. One pair I can form for these. And one pair I can use for this. Right? So the possible cases are, this is plus 1, minus 1, right? Plus 1, minus 1 or minus 1 plus 1. Okay, either plus 1 minus 1 can come or minus 1 plus 1. So I will just check for this place, because if this place is decided, other place will automatically be chosen. If this is 1, this is minus 1, automatically it will be chosen. If this is minus 1, this will be plus 1, automatically it will be chosen, right? So that means how many options for this? 2. है ना? How many options for this? 2. Why? Because if it is plus 1 here, minus 1 will be here. There is no other option. If it is minus 1, plus 1 will be here, no other option. So 2 into 2 into 2, right? Okay, because when here it is plus 1, it can be plus or minus both. When here it is plus or minus, whatever it is, here it can be plus or minus. So all these options are having simultaneously or at the same time. है ना? Okay, so that means the total number of cases will be 2 into 2 into 2. But nahi, always you cannot do by option method, but see, I already have permutation and combination. There is only for few formulas, only for 1 or 2 or 3 formulas, there is, you cannot solve the question by formula. You cannot use any formula for this because we have not done formula for matrices. So you have to always see how the matrix will be formed. Okay, fine. So write down the next question. If A and B are square matrix, question is, if A and B are square matrix of order n, then A minus lambda I and B minus lambda I commute for every scalar lambda only if A option, B option, okay, for calculate this. Fine. Okay, okay, Gokul, see, all the options there were multiplied. They were happening at the same time. So first 2 into 2 can happen at the same time. That is why we are multiplying. Commute means that, so this is a question given. You have to remember what was the meaning of commutative means. What was the meaning of commutative? Are bhai, it's a square matrix of order n. Square matrix of order n means it is of the form of n cross n. Square matrix of the form of 2. 2 means 2 into 2. Square matrix of order 3, 3 into 3. So if it is a square matrix, so it is. Yeah, option is correct. Very good. Commutative means if A and B are satisfying, if A and B are commutative, that means AB is equals to BA. Multiplication, in multiplication I told you, if you remember the property, in multiplication I've told you AB is equals to BA. If two are commutative, AB will be equals to BA, है ना? So now solve it. This, in this question only this was the important part. If in this whole question only this was the important part, rest you can solve. Okay, so let's see. So if these two are commutative, if these two are commuting, if these two matrices are commuting, because these two matrices are matrices of 2 cross 2, and n, sorry, n cross n, because order is n, है ना? So we can simply write A minus lambda I into B minus lambda I is equals to B minus lambda I into A minus lambda I, right? If I'll open the bracket, so this will become AB minus A lambda I minus lambda I B plus lambda square I square, and here it will become BA minus B lambda I minus lambda I A plus lambda square I square. Now this is A lambda, this is also A lambda, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. So only thing you will left will be AB is equals to BA. Okay, so option A is correct. Fine. So remember the meaning of commutative property, है ना? Commutative property of multiplication. Okay, AB is equals to BA. If commutative property of multiplication, that means AB is equals to BA. Okay, fine. Okay, very good. Now solve this one. Next one. Question is, if let A, B, C and D be real matrices, such that A transpose is equals to BCD, B transpose is equals to CDA, C transpose is equals to DAB, and D transpose is equals to ABC. Okay, this is given. A transpose is equals to BCD, B transpose is equals to CDA, C transpose is equals to DAB, and D transpose is equals to ABC. Okay, then for the matrix S is equals to ABCD, for the matrix S is equals to ABCD, then find the value of S cube. Okay, find the value of S cube. Okay, so I'm writing the options. A is S, B is ABCD, C is S square, D is none. Oh, Array Subiksha, I told you matrix is not commutative, but for some special matrix it can be. It is, if it is true, then it will be a special case. Do you remember? But it is not a general result. है ना? Okay. Okay, find the value of s cube. Ha, Lakshmi, that is correct. Yes, correct. Yes, option A. Let's see. This is a simple question. Like just you have to see B, C, D, C, D. They have given A, B, C, uh, 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 B, C, D, C, D, A, D, A, B, and so this is following a pattern. B, C is always coming out of, after B. D is always coming after C. So like this in these option also, in these transpose also, right? So what we can do, we can write S cube. So S cube will be, so we have S is equals to A, B, C, D. So S cube will be A, B, C, D into A, B, C, D into A, B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So let's see. So what is this? From here till here, this is B, C, D. Okay. This is C, D, A. This is D, A, B. This is A, B, C, right? So I will simply substitute the values of the things given. Okay, so this is BCD. BCD is A transpose, right? This is CDA is B transpose. Okay, this is C transpose and this is D transpose, right? This is A, B transpose, C transpose, D transpose, right? Now what is this? This whole thing is what? See, this whole thing is I can take in common. So this BCD is for A transpose. So this we can take that this BCD. See, if I'll write BCD transpose, then this will become this will become D transpose C transpose into B transpose, right? So this will become something like this. So this we can use. Okay, we can use this part. So this simply will become A transpose. So this thing is A transpose whole transpose. So this will be simply A. So this is A transpose whole transpose. This will become simply A, right? So this thing is A transpose whole transpose into A transpose. So this will simply become A into A transpose, right? Okay, now A into A transpose. What is A into A transpose? A transpose value I will again substitute. This is BCD. So this is A into BCD, which is nothing but S. So that means S cube is nothing but equals to S. Understood? Right? So what can we say? What kind of a special matrix is S? What is the special property of S? Special property of S. What is the special property of S? What is the special property of S? S is a, by S cube is coming out to be S. So that means we can write S square plus 1 is equals to S. Okay. So that means, so there will, this is a multiple choice. So this is A and B. Yeah, A and B, A and B. Yeah, correct. So this is S square plus 1. So S is a periodic matrix. Periodic matrix of periodicity 2. S is a periodic matrix of periodicity 2. Okay, because S cube is equals to X. So S square. Okay, we do not know that S square is equals to X, but we know that S2 plus S cube is equals to S. So this will be periodic matrix of periodicity 2. Understood? Fine. Okay. Okay, see what they have given, that they have given this part. They have given S is equals to A, B, C, D. So they are asking us to find S cube. They're asking us to find S cube. So I will simply write S cube once. I have simply written S cube once. So this is A, B, C, D. Okay, so I will write S cube is equals to A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Okay, fine. So if this is written, Now we can see in the question, d to the power t is equals to abc and this abc, dab, cda and bcd. So we can see at the end, from the end we can see that if I'll combine these two, means if I'll combine the last three, okay, and then if I'll combine the first next three, then next three, and then next three, I will get the values of, so this will simply become, A transpose, this will become B transpose, this will become C transpose, and this will become D transpose, right? A transpose, B transpose, C transpose, D transpose, right? Now see, this is B, C, D. We have one B, C, D in this order, B, C, D in this order. So what we can write is, we can write B, C, D transpose is equals to D transpose, C transpose, and B transpose, right? And what is the value of B, C, D? This is A transpose. This is given in the question. So A transpose whole transpose is A. So A is equals to D transpose, C transpose, and B transpose. So this is A into A transpose. What is the value of A transpose? A transpose is B, C, D. So A, B, C, D. So this is S or A. Both are correct answer. Understood? Fine. Okay, before proceeding to the next problem, this week's problem, see, okay, this has been told by Murli sir. Okay, so every Sunday from 10 to 5, every Sunday from 10 to 5, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. your exam window will open, okay, weekly exam will open, okay, on every Sunday, okay. So every Sunday, whatever portion we have done in that 1 week, whatever portion we have done in that week, so maths, that same portion will be whatever taught in that week. है ना? So till now only matrices had been taught, so I will ask questions from only matrices. Okay, so Murli sir has said that every Sunday you will have an exam. So whatever maths portion has been taught in that 1 week will be the portion for any week, any coming week. Okay, and every week we'll have a continuous exam. Okay, one more thing, that, just wait. Okay, fine. So what I have done is I have made a new platform, this on Google Classes. Okay, Google Classes I made a class of for 12th JE. Okay, so this 12th JE class, you can subscribe to this class, and this is the code. Okay, this is the code. Just copy this code, and whenever you are so I want you to join this, because whatever questions you have in maths, you can simply post those questions in the group, in this JE group, the JE class group, and I will solve those questions in this group only. Okay, so that you and other students will also be able to see. Moreover, I will be posting some questions on this in this group. Okay, in this Google Classes group. Okay, I have some student recommended this yesterday, so I thought, why not, let's give it a try. Let's see how it works out. So I'm copying it, I'm pasting it, okay, and I'm pasting it here also. So to log in is very simple. When you will go to Google Classes, suppose I've gone to Google Classes on web or on phone also, there is a plus sign here. Can you see, create or join class? When you click this plus sign, you will get an option of join classes. When you put join classes, you can enter the code, and you can join. Okay, you can simply enter this code 2DJ 2D2IQCM 2D2IQCM. Okay, so, and all the lecture notes, whatever I'm teaching in the class, I will post this in the class. This is not just for when we are having online class. Afterwards, when we are having offline classes also, I will keep on posting questions and different exercises in this group. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's see if this works out, because fine, I can see there are 9 students. So whatever, see, so whatever questions you have, you can post in this. I have posted some 2 lectures and also. Okay, fine. So whatever questions I will have, suppose if I'm not able to give in the class because time is not that much, so I will keep on posting the questions in this class. Every third day I will post some questions. Okay, and so always try to solve this question as a small test, as a small test. Okay, fine. So just copy this. Okay, it is Google Classes. You can just write Google Classes. It's on mobile also, and it's on web also. Google Classes. No, every third day, bacha. Every third day. It is very simple. You just click an option and you can post. There are options of posting for pics or pics and all. You can you can post pic. Just take a pic of the question and just post it. Okay, fine. Let's do a question. Next question. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Next question is, the question is, the product of n matrix, the product of n matrices one one 0 1 1 2 0 1 and so on till 1 n 0 n is equals to 178.01. Okay, then find the value of n. Then find the value of n. Okay, solve this. Okay, sorry, this is 1. Fine, then find the value of n. Yes, 12 is correct. Very good. Yes, 12 is correct. Now see again. Okay, 12 is good. Very good. Okay, so what we can do, because this is n times it is multiplied, so the again thing is there has to be some pattern, because without pattern you cannot simply just keep on multiplying matrices n times. So let's see, if I'll multiply first and second, if I'll multiply the first and second matrix, let's see what we will get. So when I'm multiplying 1 this, so 1 1 0 1, when I'm multiplying with 1 2 0 1, so see, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0, so we are getting 1. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1, we are getting 3. 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, we are getting 0. And 1 into 0 plus this, we are getting 0. So when I'm multiplying first and second, I'm getting the third one. Okay, so let's see. When I will multiply first and third, so what I will get? So when I'm multiplying first, so 1 and 2 I will multiply, I will get 3. 1 and 3 if I'll multiply, so 1 3 0 1. If I multiply 1 and 3, so 1 into 1 3 into 0, so I will get 1. 1 into 3 3 into 1, so I will get 6. 3 plus 3 6. 0 into 1 1 into 0, this is 0, and 1 into 0 into 3 is 0 1. So that means whatever I am multiplying, these things are getting added up. So these parts are getting added up. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus and so on till n, right? So n, okay. So till n, when it is adding up, what you are getting? We are getting equals to 78. So that means this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 till n, and we are getting this equals to 78. So this is sum of first and natural number. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is equals to 78. So from here I think we will get n is equals to 12. Okay, fine. So I'll download this today's lecture. I will download and I will share this on the group also. One more thing, that group, please do not spam any message. Do not write like, do not, just write the question. If you have any doubt, just write those doubts, hai na? Okay, fine. So we'll try to keep the keep that group very clean. We won't spam messages, and we'll try to keep it as clean as possible, and we'll try to write the questions and all. Okay, I will just share the uh, uh, PDF here, and I will post the PDF in the group also. Okay, nahi bacha, see, 1 and 2 when I am multiplying, I am getting 3. This and this when I'm multiplying, I'm getting 6. 6 another one when I'm multiplying, I'll get 6 plus 4 10. है ना? So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 10 है ना? Fine. So when I'm multiplying like this, so each is adding up. This part is getting added up, right? This part is getting added up till n. So this is sum of first and natural numbers. Understood? So that is why I've written the sum of natural numbers. Okay, I have shared the slide. Please, whatever doubts you have, please post it on the group. Okay, so other students can also have. Okay, fine. Bacha, Anu, I will also upload the all the PDFs in the group also. है ना? So if you have missed here, so I will upload the PDF in the group also. You can download it from there. है ना? Okay, fine. Chalo. Thank you very much. Take care. Okay.
हेलो अमित सर।
Yes, sir.
हो गया सर क्लास?
हाँ सर, हो गया.
ठीक है, थैंक यू।